to make Twitter header on Picsart. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can make Twitter header on Picsart. For that, you'll have to open your Picsart application on your mobile device. On the home page of the application, you'll find various icons at the bottom of the screen. Here, click on that circle having diamond icon next to home icon. After clicking on that, you will reach to this page which says Discover. Here, scroll down and under social media content, swipe left to find Twitter option. Once you find the Twitter option here, click on it. You will be directed to this page. Here, select header. By selecting header, below you will find various header templates. Scroll down and choose the one that interests you. Once you find the template you like, there you will see try option. Click on that try option below the template and you will reach to the editing space now. From here you can edit this template for your Twitter header. You can click on this text and change its font and make necessary edits. After you are done editing, click on that arrow at the top and then click on that download icon ahead of share icon. This will save your template to the gallery. So in this way you can make Twitter header on Picsart. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.